Hello YouTube. Today's video is going to be on how I go after my oil filter when I perform my oil changes. So I've seen many different methods of removing the oil filter. It's in a really terrible place, hard to get to. I've developed my way to do it. There's at least 4 others that I've seen or heard of. So I'm going to demonstrate you my method, and here we go. So we're fixing to do the oil change, and I hear a lot of people complain and have valid complaints about how hard it is to get to the oil filter. But if you take out these 3 push pins, that's not an XP of course, and then pop this thing off, you end up with incredible amount of access. So you can see right back into there where the oil filter is. I already pulled it out, but I'm going to show putting it back in. So I like to use the K&N oil filter. It's the KN 198. Biggest thing I like about it is it got that wrench nut on the end of it. So bear in mind, you don't put any kind of torque on that nut to install it, because then you'll rip that thing off when you're pulling your oil filter off. But makes it real easy to get. You always want to remember to get in there and get that surface clean. And you can't see it, but you can certainly feel it. So the complaints are genuine. It is truly a pain in the ass to get up in here at this thing. Okay, got it on. You get in there and get it finger tight. All right, and see, you can see it. I have access to it. So I've heard a lot of talk about going at this air filter from this side, and I'm not sure what all that entails, but you got to take the air cleaner box off. You got to take a bunch of stuff off, when really after you pop this fender flare off, you've got really pretty good access. I mean, you kind of need to climb up in there and get your arm as far as you can, unless you got some really long arms. I'm 6'2", and my arms are almost long enough. So if you're 6'4", you could probably get that without too much straining. But it's accessible from this side when you pull this fender flare off. And it's only 3 push pins. So that's how I remove my oil filter. Hope this is useful to you out there. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.